this video, I'll show you how to quickly add a sitemap in WordPress using Yoast SEO. Sitemaps help search engines index your site, making it easier for people to find your content. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Yoast SEO menu. Navigate to the settings and search for XML sitemaps. Make sure the toggle for XML sitemaps is turned on. This enables automatic generation of your sitemap for posts, pages, and custom post types. Once enabled, you can check your sitemap by adding sitemap_indexhtml to your site's URL. This shows all your indexed pages and confirms everything is working properly. And that's it. With Yoast SEO, creating a sitemap is simple and keeps your content search engine friendly. Keep your sitemap updated whenever you add new content for the best results.